Hi, my name is Josue Sanchez, and this is my course presentation for 5510. My course is entitled Poetry for All. It is a poetic analysis and creative writing course. The course is broken down into 10 modules, and each module will have three different types of activities. The first is an assignment. So we look at Module 1, they're creating a poetic language infographic where they will define these 10 poetic devices. Using Canva, they will create a infographic that they can use as a cheat sheet throughout the course. They're going to have to learn what not only the definition of these 10 different poetic devices, but also be able to identify them in the poems that we read. So you have the overall assignment for each module. Most modules also have a discussion, which will allow students to share articles, videos, different links that they find regarding the topic for the poem. So if we look at Module 4, Places and Memories, what they're going to be doing is taking a picture of a place that holds a special memory for them and then writing a brief description about that. And they're sharing these ideas with everyone. And students will have to interact with one another. And what we're doing is we're building this idea, because if we go to the assignment page, we also see that in that same week, the blog reflection will be about a specific memory. What does memory mean to you? And how do poets use memory to explore deeper feelings and ideas about being human? And so the creative writing aspect is found here in these blog reflections. And so the assignment, coupled with the discussion each week, will lead students to their reflection. And that's how the course is set up. Now, there are some things that I need to finish. I still have to create that really nice landing page for the course here on the homepage. I have created my syllabus. So the syllabus is up to date. As you saw earlier, I have all of my assignments completed. I'm in the process of working on uploading all of the files and the different poems that we'll be reading. Jumping back to the syllabus, we're making use of these three websites for the actual poems that we'll be reading. So those links will be provided for the students. Now, some of the roadblocks that I've encountered in building the course is one, this is the first time I use Canvas to create any sort of course, so it's kind of hit and miss. But what I have been finding useful is to look at our own course in 5510, and I've been looking at how that is set up. I've also been looking at my other course that I'm taking right now, 5580, and that has given me a lot of ideas as to how to display the information. The design document has been a lifesaver because I'm able to follow this, and this really has been my guide to creating what I have so far. I'm excited because in the progression through the course, the student will go from identifying simple poetic devices to analysis, and then finally in weeks 7, 8, and 9, they're creating their own poems. And by the end of the course, they'll have 10 reflection writings that they've completed, 3 poems, and 1 multimedia presentation that deals with poetry. So I look forward to your feedback and hope that you are having as much fun as I am creating your own course. Thank you.